Alright. See how much gas I have. Oh, I'm good. Oh yeah. No need for gas. I got water ready. Alright, let's go to South Mountain. I've been up here for a long while, so I'm excited. So I'm really excited about this and everything. So what have I got? So a lot of you been asking, like, okay, where have you been? You know, again for like 2 weeks. Well, it's been really hot outside, so it's been over 110 degrees lately. I said no to that for a little bit, for a little while, but for the time being, I did put some new parts on my bike. Like I finally put new front brake pads, brake rotors, fluids, and of course, I didn't get lines for it just yet. I'm going to do that later on. At least for front, but now my front brakes is just like mint. When I first rode it with all new pads and brake pads and rotors, it was like, ooh, you know, crash. Well, then it would crash. But you feel the bite, just the bite of it, it's just like a tremendous difference. Surprisingly, not much people are out here. Yeah, I need to apply just like a little bit of brakes, and that's it. Forget to get me like started to brake pretty good too. And so since it was Saturday today, and usually on Sundays it's usually silent Sunday, so I don't want to miss out on that. So I was like, you know what? Screw it, I'm going to ride today whether anybody likes it or not. And so that's what I did. I'm also planning to go to Guitar Center and buy a new pedal. Yay. I can't still make up my mind. Should we get a different distortion pedal? Because right now I have the metal muff. Or should we get an overdrive for my distortion? I'm still debating. Yeah, I'll think about it though. I'll probably just end up buying a whole new guitar. Oh wait, no, I'm on the bike. I see the person waving behind me. Oh wow, this is new. What's this for? Pro close. Okay. So I go here. This is all new, so I really don't know where I'm going. I got the guys just driving the completely opposite way. I guess the actual riding part is close. God damn it. Why? I just want to ride my bike. That's all I want to do. A Dainese, maybe. Yeah, you know what? I might as well chill up here. Oh, this kind of sucks, but whatever. Oh no, it's a fat ball. Or not fat ball, but breakout. Nice. Cool, I met with a new friend. Yeah, I'm any friend. Yeah, it's a cool guy. Yeah, he says like, yeah, I just been riding for like, you know, only about a year, but I bought this bike and everything. I was like, oh, cool, man. He's like, yeah, so I'm thinking about getting a sport bike and everything. He's like, yeah, really? Yeah. So I show him my bike, you know, and I rev it up for him. He's like, oh man, it's just like jumping everywhere. He's like, man, I'm gonna get one now. I'm gonna get one. It's like, all right, chill out there, dude. Careful. That's fun. But yeah, right now there's a dust storm coming over to us right now, so I'm heading home. Yeah, screw that. Yeah, look at the couch. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, make sure you leave a like and subscribe for more. Well, no, it's not really much. It's whatever. Too close there, bud. Yeah, it sucks because what I found out is that since it rained yesterday, so that's why the which I totally forgot, or actually rained last night, actually, my bad. And so that's why they had the road closed off, so that they could clean everything up. But since it's probably gonna rain again today, you know, which is gonna suck, but whatever. I know I did say that I'm planning, thinking about going to Guitar Center today too on the bike, but yeah, there's no way. And that's the direction I need to go to Guitar Center. Well, there's another one too, but yeah, that's just not gonna happen. Because once my student, like with my student station, like you can see nothing. Like it sucks too. That's too dangerous for being on a bike. Yeah, I'm right here, dude. You know, they're going kind of like going straight at me for there. I was like, dude, right here. I missed my pit bike.